In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your website using Godaddy. Whether you're looking to take your site offline temporarily or make some major changes before relaunching, this straightforward process will guide you through each step with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Godaddy's website. If you're not already familiar with it, Godaddy is a well-known platform that provides domain registration and web hosting services. Once you're there, look over to the top right corner of the homepage where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Sign In, a page will pop up prompting you to log in. You can choose from several sign-in options, but for simplicity, let's use Google. This method is commonly used due to its ease and security. Once you click Sign In with Google, just follow the usual steps to log into your account. If prompted, select the Google account associated with your Godaddy services. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to your account's homepage. Here you'll find a list of all your products and services. You're going to want to click on Godaddy Home to proceed. This takes you to a centralized location where you can manage all aspects of your service with Godaddy. From the Godaddy homepage, locate the section that lists all of your websites. It's typically called My Products or something similar. Here you'll see a list of all the websites and domains you currently manage with Godaddy. Identify the website you want to unpublish from this list and select it. Upon selecting the website, you'll see an option to edit website. This is your creative control hub for the website, where you can make design changes, add new features, or in this case, prepare to unpublish the site. Click on Edit Website to continue. You'll now be in the website editor. This interface allows you to do a variety of things to your site, but today we're focused on taking it down. Look for the option that says Unpublish. It might be located under a drop-down menu or a section dedicated to publishing settings, depending on Godaddy's current layout. Once you've found the Unpublish button, go ahead and click it. This action will take your website offline, making it inaccessible to the public. However, don't worry, you can always come back and republish it once you're ready to set your site public again. And that's it. You've successfully unpublished your site on Godaddy. With these steps, you've got the flexibility to control your website's accessibility whenever you need. Remember, unpublishing doesn't delete any content or remove the site permanently. It's just taken offline until you're ready to bring it back. Thanks for following along, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.